Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going to an apartment today and we're going to take a look at a plugged toilet. Let's see what we find. Alright, we're going to be using the closet auger to try to clear this toilet. So with these augers, you always want to make sure you're turning to the right, because if you turn to the left while you're trying to push it in and you get caught up on something, you can actually kink the cable inside and then the cable's garbage. Always hold down the handle, that way you know you get a full flush. And everything's looking good. Alright, I'm just going to let you guys know that I'm actually in the middle of a race to 1,000 subscribers. At this point of recording this video, I'm at 117, and the guy that I'm racing with is a guy that I work with, and he's at 225. So if you guys give me a like, comment, share, and subscribe, that'd be awesome. Thanks a lot. Alright, everything's looking good. Till next time, Keurig now.